welcome to Lil Vittles. We will be making Rice Krispie treats that are themed for July. What you'll need is some Rice Krispies, marshmallows, some butter, a pot, and a spatula. Melt your butter on medium to low in a large pot. So once your butter is melted, you'll need some large marshmallows and pour them into your pot. And then stir it up until they get nice and goopy, and then you'll be adding your Rice Krispies. It's getting melty and it's getting really goopy and hot. So if when you're working with a hot stove, you can get a grown-up to help. Once you're melted your marshmallows, it'll look like this, and then you want to pour some Rice Krispies in, and you'll need a buttered spatula. And you want to work fairly quick because it gets sticky real fast. And you're not going to mix it like this. You're going to do folds, and if you don't know how to do folds, it goes like this. Fold, and then you turn your pot. And just keep doing that until it's all mixed. It takes some elbow work a lot. Once you get it into your pan, you want to spread it out. And after you spread it out, you'll need a piece of parchment paper to put on top. And then what you're gonna do is put your piece of parchment paper on top of your Rice Krispies and gently push it down a little bit. So what you need is we've let our Rice Krispies cool, and now what you'll need is a star cookie cutter and a circle. After you've cut out all your Rice Krispies, they'll look like this, and now it's time to frost them. So what you'll need to decorate your Rice Krispies is red, white, and blue melties. You can also get red, white, and blue frosting if you don't want melties. And what you'll need is some 4th of July sprinkles. After your melties have melted, you're gonna drizzle them on top of your Rice Krispies. Put some on my dress. Just like that. After you've melted your blue melties, you're gonna get some on your spatula and lightly drizzle. Usually on 4th of July we have a party at someone's house and we bring over like things. Like maybe we can make these next 4th of July and this 4th of July. On 4th of July, a new 4th of July firework pack. Saw some at our outside at our house last year. Wow, that's perfect. After you've made your white melties, you've got to go real fast with your sprinkles or otherwise it'll dry and you'll have no sprinkles on yours. Can't wait to eat these. And these are a real great gift to give to someone at like a party or something. Like a little goodie bag treat. Rice Krispie treats that are themed for July. And if you like my channel, Lil Vittles, please subscribe. And we'll have the links below. Happy 4th of July. I've been waiting for this moment to eat the Rice Krispies.